Hey guys, my name is Avigat and in this video I'll be writing a Java program to find the sum of the first 10 numbers. So let's start with the program. To write this program, the first thing I'll have to do is create my integer variable of sum because I'll be storing the value of the sum in this variable. So I'll just write int sum and I'll give this a value of 0. Now I can start writing my for loop. So to do that, I'll just write for and then within the brackets I'll write my first part of the for loop, which is to initialize the variable, and in this case I'll just say int I is equal to 1 because 1 is the first positive integer and the program requires us to add up all the numbers from the first positive integer. The second part of the for loop is to determine till when the for loop will run. So in this case I will run the for loop until I less than or equal to 10 because I have to find the sum of the first 10 positive integers. So i's value will reach 10 and that will be the last value that we'll have to be using. Then the third part of the for loop will be writing whether i's value will be increasing or decreasing, and over here I want i's value to increase every time. So it'll be 1, then plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. So I'll just write I plus plus, which is the same as I is equal to I plus 1. Now I'll write my curly braces and over here I'll say sum is equal to sum plus I. Okay, so basically over here originally i's value is 1, so this 1 value is getting added to sum. Then the for loop is running again because I is less than or equal to 10 and i's value is getting added over here, so I becomes 2. Then sum is equal to sum plus 2, which is the same as sum is equal to 1 plus 2, which is 3, so sum's value is 3. Then the for loop is run again, this time I is equal to 2, which is again less than or equal to 10, so i's value is increased again, so it becomes 3. Then sum's value becomes 3 plus 3, which is 6, and the for loop continues until i's value is 10 and then it just adds up to sum again and then the for loop ends. So now that the for loop is done, I'll just write my print statement system.out.println and over here I'll say sum is and I'll just say plus sum. Here I've just concatenated sum and this text. So now the program is over. Let's just compile this and let's check the output. Void main. Here sum is 55 because the sum of the first 10 integers is 55. So guys, yeah, that is all for this video. If you want the code, it will be available on my website avigatgupta.com, so make sure you check it out. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them as soon as possible. And if you learned something new, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and see you later. Bye.